Welcome everyone. Today we will paint an ant and color it. Draw a simple pattern with a black mark pen. First draw a pair of big and bright eyes. A round head. A small mouth. Small tentacles on the top of the head. Start to draw a long body with a lot of small hairy feet. The caterpillar crawls in the grass. Draws some leaves. Then draws little flowers. The simple picture is done now. It's great to bold a simple stroke with a maker pen. Woo! That's really great. Let's start coloring. Yellow. Rose. Orange. Pink. Medium yellow. Gray violet. Light yellow. Brown. Grass green. Dark green. Light green.这个是 olive yellow. Light green. Dark green, dark green, dark green. Blue, blue, blue. Flesh. Red, red, yellow. Our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.